This is the Hello World Podcast.
How much of Chot Reyes' success over the years is because of the elements of PUSO?
To be very frank, the PUSO battle cry was developed not only by me but really by the entire team Gilas, because my background as a team builder and a team facilitator. So sa amin sa Gilas and all the teams that I coach, whether that was Talk and Text or Coke, we do a lot of team building activities. So aside from basketball, every time we go out on trips and nagdi-team building kami palagi. We do everything that you do. Yung sa online and what we used to do live, we do a lot of those things. And of course, kasama na doon is we crafted our values. So yun ang nangyari. So for us, that's where we first built the team model, which I still teach up to today with companies. So our team model, sabi ko, we had that workshop where we asked the players, what are the most important things for us as a team? What are the values that we stand on? So the players came out, not only me, the players came up with it, and we came up with team, trust, effort, accountability, motivation. So yun yung team model namin. Sabi ko, dito And then when we got back and we became successful, I started talking about team to organizations and to companies. And they really liked it because it resonated because everybody knows, di ba? Even the Google study, Project Aristotle, the number one most important element to successful teams is psychological safety, which is group trust. Yes. So job number one really, if you want to build teams, is to build trust with your people. So it worked with Gilas. So yun yung naging that those are the values that we came up with. But what powers all of that is first of all, yung puso. Yung puso talaga. Sa amin kasi, sa Gilas, our battle cry is very simple. We fight till we cannot fight anymore for our country with all our hearts. Yun yung laban Pilipinas. So, doon lang natin eh. So that's why naging So sa every huddle, every game, narinig ng mga tao, sisigaw kami, laban Pilipinas. Sisigaw ako, laban Pilipinas. Sasagot yung mga players, puso. So that's where it came from. It now became the national battle cry. Lahat ng sports, lahat ng lahat narinig mo, ginagamit na talaga nila yung puso. And in the end, we said, hindi namin kaya labanan yung kalaban namin sa basketball sa Asia sa height. Kasi, tayo mga Pinoy, tayo pinaka-cute sa Asia, di ba? We're the short, we don't have their height. And we didn't have the experience because although magaling tayo, matagal na yung PBA, magaling tayo in the Philippines, but we had very little experience competing outside. So sabi ko, ihanapin natin yung that one thing which is purely Pinoy, talaga yung ayaw talagang magpatalo, ayaw bumigay. So yung puso, yung ayaw magpatalo, and then the puso para serbisyo, the pagmamahal sa bayan, the love of country, the service for country. So yun yung talagang purpose namin, and so that is what animates the team model, our love for country. So yung team, yung paano, yung how to. So now we have a step-by-step model. When I come into organizations, I teach leaders how to build their teams, step-by-step model. Kasi we've never, there is no class in any college or in any MBA course that's called Teamwork 101 or Team Building, Fundamentals of Team Building. Wala, di ba? And yet every organization, they expect their leaders to know how to build teams. So that's our value. So that's I think that's the biggest value I bring to my work now with organizations. Just an understanding of how to build teams and that heart of the leader model. But even in the heart of the leader, the last letter there, letter T, is team, which that's where my team model comes in. So yun talaga yun. It's really sustained me through my life, through my early hardships, starting out, and then the difficulties, not only in basketball coaching and in sports, but also here in running organizations. I've had a lot. I've had a lot of stumbles and rejections and difficulties all through my life, but I'm here. Yeah, you're talking to me, so that means I've
Yes.
always been able to pick myself up and survive. So
Mm-hmm.
so that's really just the strength ng character, the strength ng puso talaga. Yung ayaw lang bumibili.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.